Hello friends, today I demonstrate you how to use mosquito aspirator for repellency test. We supply the system in two ways, one is vacuum based, another one is compressor based. The vacuum based is used for studying the repellency studies, and the compression based can be used for more studying the chemicals directly under the test or interest. Now I am showing you how to connect the motor to the SMPS controller, 12 volt controllers. You need to plug red to red, blue to blue to start the system. So the SMPS controller unit has both forward as well as reverse control option. So we have done this for a purpose. I just demonstrate you a little bit later. So once you plug it on, see now the power system is flowing through the controller. The controller has the knob. The knob, when you rotate it, the system starts. So the fan starts rotating. That generates both forward air. The compressed air can also be sent into the system as well as the reverse. Now the fan is on. You can control the speed of the fan based on the needs and the type of insect, and then the size of the insects and their agility, or their ability to fly against the flowing air. Yeah, the switch they are actually used for forwarding or reversing the fan movement. The insects releasing area is this. So what we have to do here is that when you're using the system, so I forgot actually to keep here the mesh, but what you need to do is that from this column to this fan, the white color surface, you need to actually plug this one with the mesh. Take out the cotton plug, insert the mouth mosquito aspirator and release the insects. So this is the central chamber, and these two are the test and control chambers. So I'll come back here later. So right now I'm going to demonstrate you the releasing area of the mosquitoes. So take this out. So when you're taking this out, you need to see that the fan is blowing towards into the central chamber. So you need to use forward and reverse option to actually send the air mildly into the chamber. This you can do actually by using the SMPS controller switch. So the switch can be used actually to suck the air and then blow. When you are releasing insects, you need to ensure that air is compressed. You are actually sending the air into the system, not taking out of the system. So in that way, we actually prevent the mosquitoes blowing out of the system. So you need to be careful here that when you are releasing the insects are going towards the central the window gate. So the now mosquitoes are being at the window gate for 2 to 3 minutes. They get acclimatized, and then you are actually releasing all insects to the blowing system. The air is still blowing towards the central chamber. Now you are opening the gate. The mosquitoes are all gone into the central chamber. So in that moment, you have to actually close the releasing area window, and then now you can reverse the fan, so that the vacuum started generating. So these two are actually the test chambers. So one is the control, another one is the test. So one hand is just the normal, other hand is actually being sprayed with a cream or any kind of the test material that you wanted to test for the repellency. So the insects are the central chamber, so they are hungry, and then if there is no repellence activity, the mosquitoes get attracted, and then they get trapped at the window gate. So the window gate is closed, so the mosquitoes won't come and bite the hand, just like a separator between the hand as well as the mosquitoes. So the collected mosquitoes from here can be right and counted, and once the experiment is over, they can blown out. So these two chambers actually can be used for the opening and keeping the hands. So once the experiment is over, you can take out the chambers and you can clean them. So now I'm going to demonstrate to you the another system we use in compressor, how we can use the closed system for attraction studies. In the closed system, we provide you the compression based air control system. So the air is passed to the charcoal chamber and then to the humidity chamber. After that, the test material, so I have just put the cotton ball into the one glass container. That is actually, you can regard it as a drug 1. So the here you have actually drug 1 and drug 2, two different places. Yeah, I'm showing you again one more cotton ball there. So you have to freeze the video here and you have to see how the connections are. So the first the air goes through the charcoal system. From there, the air will pass into the humidity chamber. From the humidity chamber, the two-way connector will transfer the air into the control 1, control 2. From there, it will enter into the flow regulators, the air flow regulators. So the flow air regulators, the in is at the bottom. So we will have the out at the top. Yes, so from here the charcoal clear air is entering into the humidity chamber. From the humidity chamber, the humidified air is actually being sent into the two test chambers. So from the two test chambers, the air is coming out and then is entering into the flow regulators, flow control valves. So from the two flow control valves, the output is taken from the top portions, yeah, from here, and then that regulator air is letting in these two places. So when you are using this system, what I had shown you earlier, the vacuum system will not work. So you will be just using the compressor here. So you can just disconnect that one and then yeah, you can keep yeah, any mesh or any kind of cloth here to actually plug the system. Thank you for watching.